Now we will discuss the second type of construction of a similar triangles. In first case we discuss when the all three vertices are different, and the second one is when the one vertex is common. In two triangles, R is a common vertex. Triangle PQR is similar to triangle LTR. R is a common vertex, and that time there is a different method to draw such type of triangles. In previous case, first we find the values of the another triangle by using this ratio. In this case, it is not necessary to find the values of the corresponding sides of the triangle, and in this case this ratio plays very important role. This indicates that which triangle is smaller and which triangle is bigger. Means this indicates that in this case one vertex is common, so that both the triangles are along the common vertex. Now if you take a rough figure, R is a common vertex, and if you draw the side QR, this QR along the base, then taking PR 4.8 centimeter this way and PQ 4.2 centimeter, and this point of intersection is a point P, and draw the line this way, and we get this triangle PQR. So R is a common vertex, so we get this type of triangle PRQ. And in this case, in second triangle LTR, R is also common vertex. So, and this triangle LT has a bigger length than PQ, so that this triangle LTR is outside to this triangle PQR. Means in this case PQ upon LT is 3/4. Then how to draw such type of construction? We use the basic concepts of the parallel lines. Now we will focus on the construction. First we draw what you are given, and by using these given values, first we draw such type of triangle. Now draw the baseline. This is a baseline, and which vertex is common? R is a common vertex, so first we write down R here. Then second one is QR is given, means QR is along the base. You can take PR is also along the base, depends on you. Generally QR has a large value, so we take QR as a base. Take 5.4 centimeter in a compass and draw the R this way, 5.4 centimeter, and we get this point Q. Then PR and QR, taking PR 4.8 centimeter in a compass, draw the R. We get this type of R of 4.8 centimeter. Then PQ of 4.2 centimeter, draw the arc of 4.2 centimeter, and this point of intersection is a point P. Then join PR. We get this PR, then join PQ. Now write down the length of the corresponding sides. QR 5.4 centimeter, PR 4.8 centimeter, and PQ 4.2 centimeter, and we get this basic triangle PQR. To draw the another triangle LTR, there is some basic concepts that from the common vertex draw a ray or draw an angle of 45 degree or 40 degree from the baseline this way. Degree from this point R, this angle is of 40 degree. You can draw 40, 45. Generally we take a 40 degree. Now concentrate on a ratio. PQ upon LT is given 3/4. Now which value is maximum? 4 is maximum. So taking the maximum values. So taking some distance in a compass, generally 1 centimeter, and draw the arc of 1 centimeter on this ray. If we take these 4 arcs on this ray, denote 1, 2, 3, 4. You have given the triangle PQR. First we draw this triangle PQR, and ratio is given PQ upon LT is 3/4. So PQ is equal to 3x and LT is equal to 4x. So we take point Q and this point 3 and join this one. Because this ratio is related with this point 3, so we take this 3 and we get this type of quadrilateral. Now in this case, to get an accurate figure, we use a backdoor method, and last year we also used a backdoor method, and in this case also we use a backdoor method. The backdoor method is that first you have to measure this angle R3Q. R3Q, this angle, and this is a vertex. So R3Q, measure this angle, and taking 4 as a vertex and draw the angle R4 and the point. That point is a T point. So draw the same angle R4T and R3Q. We get, if we draw this angle is equal to this angle, and we get this a parallel line. We get this parallel line. This Q3 and T4 are parallel to each other by corresponding angle test. These are the two corresponding angles. So these two lines becomes a parallel. So this is a backdoor method. Similarly, measure this angle PQR and take T as a vertex. Draw the same angle on this point T. So we get this point and draw this side, that is LT is parallel to PQ, again by corresponding angle test. And in this way we get this triangle LTR and PQR. So this is the process to draw similar triangles when one vertex is common. And if you have any problems on this second method, we will discuss in detail in regular class. So,